Welcome to the epic tale of Alexander the Great, the Macedonian king who embarked on an extraordinary conquest, shaping the course of history. Let's begin our journey by delving into the various aspects of his remarkable life. Born in 356 BC in Pella, Macedonia, Alexander received a rigorous education under the tutelage of renowned philosopher Aristotle. His early exposure to philosophy, literature, and military training laid the foundation for his future endeavors. At the age of 20, Alexander ascended to the throne of Macedonia following the assassination of his father, King Philip II. Determined to fulfill his father's vision of expanding the Macedonian Empire, he embarked on a relentless campaign of conquest. Alexander's military genius was unrivaled. His armies marched across Asia, conquering lands from Egypt to India. He achieved remarkable victories, including the Battle of Granicus, the Battle of Issus, and the decisive Battle of Gaugamela, where he defeated the Persian forces led by King Darius III. Beyond his military exploits, Alexander's personal life was equally intriguing. His passionate love affairs with Roxana, the daughter of a Bactrian noble, and the captivating Egyptian queen, Cleopatra, added layers of romance to his story. Alexander's conquests facilitated a remarkable cultural exchange between the East and the West. The fusion of Greek, Persian, and Egyptian influences led to the spread of Hellenistic culture and the establishment of numerous cities bearing his name, including the renowned Alexandria. Despite his vast achievements, Alexander's reign came to an abrupt end. He passed away in 323 BC at the age of 32, leaving behind a legacy that would shape the ancient world for centuries to come. His vision of a unified empire and his military strategies inspired generations of leaders and conquerors. Join us as we embark on this riveting journey through the life of Alexander the Great. Experience the triumphs, the romance, and the enduring legacy of a man whose ambition and determination knew no bounds.